Hey Norwich Sound and Vision, we're here outside the garage to find out a little bit more about the young peoples performing at Norwich Sound and Vision. It's easy to forget about young bands performing, especially when they're first starting out. Earlier in the week we caught up with Amazon Blue and the Mondegreens to find out more about them playing at Norwich Sound and Vision. Guys, what inspired you then to, actually create a band and merge as a band?
Me and Talis went to go and see Kate Nash, and the support band were the Tuts, and they were an all-girl three-piece, and we were like, we want to do that, so we did.
Who exactly, would you say your influences are?
So from a guitar's point of view, probably bands like Peace, Fred,
Johnny Marr,
the Smiths,
King Cruel. I like sort of oldish hip hop, so like Lords of the Underground, obviously like Rodney P, Biggie, that sort of stuff.
So like an indie pop thing going on.
Yeah. Indie pop? Anyone in particular? Any types of bands?
We really like Pixies.
Yeah, and Peace.
Guys excited then? You guys buzzing for
Definitely.
Sound and Vision?
Really excited.
Really.
We want to go out there and enjoy ourselves, and the fact that it's bigger just means that there's more to gain from it.
Yeah, I think at the moment, what we need to do is just basically enjoy ourselves as much as we can.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like that much of a big deal.
We are having like loads of fun, but obviously we want to go forward and get heard.
I'm really looking forward to being part of it, and hopefully play more shows with Amazon Blue as well. Because they're playing their first gig tonight.
Yeah.
And it's a nice little scene going on.
If it wasn't for like this whole this garage band course with CME, we wouldn't be a band, and we wouldn't have done any of this. So
it's like been like amazing to have this.
big up to CME.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, CME's definitely helped us a lot. Yeah, they've helped us record and they've helped us with a couple of gigs. Obviously, this one coming up and our first ever sort of gig at the House Cafe.
Thank you for coming tonight. We're Amazon Blue, and check out our Facebook and SoundCloud. It's Amazon Blue but without the E and then Blue.
Squeeze in a little bit, just a little bit. It's been about a year since our first gig now, so it's the first song we ever wrote. The series.